Hey guys, at BV Matson here, and before I can get to polishing these darn side covers, the engine covers, somebody painted them back in the day, and we got to strip this stuff off. So, got myself some aircraft stripper, and we're going to apply that today. We're going to get these things ready because, I'm not going to sit here and sand through paint. I got to strip these things of what's going on. So, really, just to do this, all we need is a paintbrush. And then we're going to need some aircraft stripper, a small container, and then we'll be in business. All right, first things first, let's crack open the aircraft stripper. And let's dump some of this in. Some thick, gooey stuff. I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to need. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab some gloves. All right, got my gloves on. All right, take our brush, put it in, and let's see how fast this stuff works. I'm going to goop it on pretty thick. Should work almost right away from what I've read. I'm just going to put a nice thick coat over this entire piece. We'll go through all of the pieces and start laying this stuff on. Hopefully, keyword hope, this stuff cuts through, and we're going to be able to save a ton of time in the sanding department because there's a lot of work that needs to be done on these side covers. I also noticed, sadly, that the entire engine block has also been painted. So they say 45 minutes. We got to wait, let that stuff go to work, and then we'll scrape it off. But yeah, look, on the engine, it's all painted up. So I'm not really sure how to deal with this other than taking the whole damn engine apart, which isn't ideal. Definitely could slow down the process here, but yeah, it's just terrible. It's got to come off. All right, guys, it might not be as bad as I thought. Put some paint stripper on this, and I just am just barely running this tool against the metal, and I'm already down to bare aluminum. These might actually clean up pretty fast tonight. I mean, look at this. Let's see this. That is bare aluminum right there. So I think we're going to be okay. I think it's going to be all right. So here we can totally tell there's paint. Yeah, and that's just corrosion. That's going to have to get cleaned. But yeah, I'm thinking it's just kind of a spotty coat on here. It's not real thick. Yeah, boom. There. Yeah. That's aluminum for sure. I think this cleanup's going to go pretty quick. I'm going to let this stuff soak quite a bit more. And then I've actually hooked up the power washer. Got the power washer ready to go. And then we will tackle this, man. Yeah, guys, as I'm applying another coat, the paintbrush is actually taking a lot of this paint right off. You can see that? It's just the paintbrush is taking the paint right off. So I can see some shiny aluminum. I might be able to start with like an 800 sandpaper. Yeah, look at that. Came right off just by brushing it off. I think some of these edges and some of the nooks and crannies are going to be a little challenging perhaps. But overall, I mean, I anticipated this being, kind of an all-night deal. And it's not. So let's see if I can give you a good look at this. See? All that paint's coming right off. This is awesome. Here's a bunch of paint. Paint's coming right off, man. Oh, this is great. All right, now I'm just going to grab my roll of blue shop rags. Probably going to go through a whole bunch of these, just wiping these off. But yeah, that's aircraft stripper definitely did a number on this. Paint's coming right off. There's going to be some polishing involved here, man. Look at that. Whoa. That ain't going to be fun. My least favorite part of these bikes are these little fins I wish that these could have been avoided when they designed these bikes. They're a real pain. Pain to polish. But yeah, just wipe off the most of it, and let's take it out to the power washer and see what's going on. Yeah, and there we can really see. There we can really start to see it. That side cover, this side cover is freaking brutal. Not good. This one ain't bad though. This one ain't bad at all. See, that's bare aluminum here. We'll be able to get at that. Let's just try to get the bulk off of it. And then we'll spray them down. Try to spray them down and get them done real good. All right, let's see how gracefully I can do this. Oh yeah. That's the ticket, boys and girls. Woo. Gonna have to get my shoes wet. Ain't no way around it. Sweet. Oh man. See, just knock the we'll knock the back out too. Might as well hit it all. All right. So that's what we're looking at. Much better. Nice and clean. I'm gonna try and hit this a little bit more. All right. This one's gonna be a bear, man. This one's gonna take me a week. That one is corroded. But luckily the paint's coming right off. That's all I was really after tonight. Put this bad boy over. Alright. Probably have to degrease this one. That's okay. Alright, there we go. These babies are cleaned off. These look really good. This one I'll have to use some degreaser on for sure. But yeah, they're down to bare aluminum. These are, woohoo, ready for sanding. Alright guys, that's what we wanted. I'm just going to dry these off, and these guys got a date with the table downstairs. That's how you strip paint off old side covers. Telling you, this stuff did the job right here. Potent stuff, used lots and lots of airflow in your ventilation in your shop when you're using that. Stuff's super potent. Way worse than spray paint. They still look kind of rough, but man, don't they look a lot better? They really look like crap before. Believe it or not, this will all clean up. If you guys enjoy the videos, please subscribe. Also, give a thumbs up on the videos that you enjoy. Follow along Instagram and Twitter at BVMatson. We're going to keep going. That's bad. You know what? We're going to knock it out, though. This stuff can be saved. Can be saved. Never give up on your old parts, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night.